BRUNEL, moving intelligently towards the wind thrust force. Fred Olsen, 1848, along with industry partners, has developed a framework to stabilize single-point moored floating wind turbines, while optimizing the positioning against the wind thrust for increased energy production. A framework that deepens the understanding of the dynamic behavior of single-point moored floating foundations, but is also applicable for all floating foundations. A single-point moored system is comprised of a turret and swivel arrangement, allowing the structure to weather vane, self-aligning with the wind. The turret for BRUNEL is intentionally of low complexity. It consists of 2 upper and 1 lower plane sliding bearing. Wind turbines are prone to aerodynamic moments which tend to yaw the system. This yaw is a result of differences in local wind velocities, rotor tilt, platform tilt, and coning angles. For a single-point moored system, this can result in yaw drift. Yaw drift must be mitigated using effective control strategies to increase energy production and reduce fatigue loads in the rotor, ultimately increasing its useful life. In favorable conditions, BRUNEL can rely on its ability to yaw simply by passively following the wind. To further improve response, BRUNEL can then rely on individual pitch control. Yaw function will be provided via the turret only, and limiting the use of the nacelle yaw mechanisms. In unfavorable met-ocean conditions, BRUNEL can improve the response time by applying the wind turbine yaw control, also in combination with individual pitch control, activating the use of the nacelle yaw actuators. The framework assists the wind turbine and the floating foundation to get to the most optimal position, which results in increased power production. The wind turbine aligns with the wind in response to the environment and stays in the most optimal position. Increased uptime and reliability. Reduce the use of the wind turbine yaw actuators. Optimized structural design. Unidirectional loading reduces floating foundation motions. The single-point moored foundation, BRUNEL, proves to be a cost-competitive solution for unlocking the potential of floating offshore wind. Reach out if you want to learn more.